Okay, ma. Now we see the next problem, fifth one. Find harmonic conjugate at u is equal to e power x square minus y square into cos 2xy. And also find f of z. What is f of z, ma? U plus iv. Okay, ma. Now we see the solution. This is u, real part. What is the function, ma? What is the question? Also find f of z. What is f of z? U plus iv. Here we have given u. Its conjugate is v. Okay. The question is find harmonic conjugate of u. Harmonic conjugate of u means v. So the first question is find v and also find f of z. So we have two questions, find v and f of z. Now we are going to find both f of z value and v value. For this purpose we have given u. Okay, this is u. Using Milne-Thomson method, first we find f of z, then find v. So first part, find f of z by using Milne-Thomson method. Already we know how can we find the f of z. Now this is the given function. This is u is equal to e power x square minus y square into cos 2xy. Here you observe, ma, its derivative dou u by dou x is e power minus x square into cos xy. This is u into v form. U into v form. Already I told in the last problem, derivative of u is equal to u dash v. U dash v means first derivate this first function. Okay, e power x square minus y square. Okay, ma. This is u in the form of u into v. What is derivative of uv? First u dash, first term derivative into v plus u alage untundi. Next v dash. Now this is in the form of uv. Now derivative dou u by dou x with respect to x derivative. First differentiate this term, e power x square y square derivative e power x square y square, and x square y square derivative with respect to x is 2x. Cos 2xy is same, v అనుకోండి దీన్ని, సేమ్ అలాగే ఉండిపోయింది. సో ఫస్ట్ డెరివేటివ్ e power x square minus y square, ఈ x square minus y square derivative with respect to x వచ్చేసి x square derivative into 2x, y square derivative 0 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి మెన్షన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఈ b టర్మ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు e power minus x square y square అలాగే ఉంటుంది. cos 2xy చేయాలి డెరివేటివ్, v టర్మ్ ఇది. సో cos 2xy డెరివేటివ్ మైనస్ sin 2xy ఇంటూ నెక్స్ట్ ఈ 2xy చేయాలి విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x చేసినప్పుడు 2 కాన్స్టెంట్ y కాన్స్టెంట్ x చేస్తే 1 కాబట్టి 2 ఇంటూ 1 ఇంటూ y విచ్ ఇస్ 2y. సో ఇంటి డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ u v చేసాం మనం, డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ uv. సో ఫస్ట్ u టర్మ్ డెరివేటివ్, దిస్ వన్ v టర్మ్ కాన్స్టెంట్, నెక్స్ట్ u టర్మ్ కాన్స్టెంట్, v డెరివేటివ్, v మీన్స్ sin 2xy ఈ ఫార్ములా యూస్ చేసామమ్మ. Now dou u by dou x is, for using Milne-Thomson method, here we have given u, so dou u by dou x is pi 1, but in place of xy you put z0. So dou u by dou x is pi 1, z0 పెట్టండి, e power z square minus 0 అంటే e power z square minus 0 means e power z square ఉంటుంది. cos y means 0, 0 into 2x is 0, cos 0 into 2x means 2z minus e power, here it is 2 into y, 2 into y means 0, 2 into 0, 0 into something, totally this term becomes 0. So pi 1 z0 becomes first term e power z square, cos 0 means 1 into 2z e power z square 2z, the last one is 0, don't mention. So we get pi 1 z0. Similarly dou u by dou y, here also this is in the form of u into v, u into v, దీనిలోనూ y ఉంది, దీనిలోనూ y ఉంది కాబట్టి 2 టర్మ్స్ ఇంటూలో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి డెరివేటివ్ ఫార్ములా ఇది అప్లై చేద్దాం. ఓకే, డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ uv u dash v plus uv dash. Now differentiate with respect to y, its derivative e power derivative is same one, x square derivative 0 minus y square derivative minus 2y, ఇదమ్మా ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ డెరివేటివ్ e power x square minus y square into minus 2xy. దిస్ సెకండ్ టర్మ్ రిమైన్స్ సేమ్, అలాగే ఉంచుతాం. మైనస్ ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ అలాగే ఉంటుంది, u e power x square minus y square into cos 2xy డెరివేటివ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు y చేసినప్పుడు ఇందులో y టర్మ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మైనస్ sin 2xy, మళ్ళీ ఈ 2xyని విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు y చేసేటప్పుడు 2x ఇంటూ 1 అవుతుంది y డెరివేటివ్ ఇంటూ 2x. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ dou u by dou y. it is pi 2. But write in place of x z and in place of y 0. Dou u by dou y is pi 2 in terms of xy అనుకోండి, write in terms of z 0. So first term x place లో z, y place లో 0, this term into 2y, y place లో 0 పెట్టినప్పుడు into 0 అవుతుంది, ముందు ఎంత ఉన్నా into 0 కాబట్టి first term becomes 0. And the second term sin 2x into y means sin y ఉంది కాబట్టి sin 2 into z into 0, sin 0 అవుతుంది, sin 0 is 0, 0 into anything is 0, so second term is also 0. Now we have pi 1 z0 is e power z square 2z, pi 2 z0 is 0. Okay, now pi 2 z0 is 0. Now by using Milne-Thomson method, we have, okay, by using Milne-Thomson method, f of z is equal to integral pi 1 z0 minus I pi 2 z0 dz plus c. Okay ma, put pi 1 z0, what is LHS is f of z, no doubt, integral pi 1 z0 means e power z square 2z dz, and the second one is 0 కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ మాత్రమే సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేశాను, మైనస్ 0 రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, ఇంటూ dz ప్లస్ c. హియర్ for this integration you put z square is t, what is its derivative? 2z dz is equal to dt, z square is t, differentiate on both sides, 2z dz is dt. Okay, in place of this e power z square means, see the next step ma, e power z square means e power t, 2z dz is dt. Now plus c, which is e power t plus c. Now this is e power t dt. So f of z is LHS, RHS is e power t plus c. What is t? T is z square. Now f of z is e power z square plus g. What is z ma? Z is equal to x plus iy, we know that. So we have completed the first part, find f of z. The question is find out the conjugate of u, means find out v anamata, find out v. Okay, first part f of z find out చేసాము, next v కనుక్కోవాలమ్మా. So in place of z you put x plus iy, in place of you put x plus iy. Now this is the formula. Okay, in place of z you put x plus iy, what you get? E power, in place of z, x plus iy whole square. I think all of you know a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? E అలాగే ఉంటుందమ్మా, e అలాగే ఉంటుంది, పవర్ చూడండి, a plus b whole square, a square అంటే x square plus b square, b square అంటే I square y square. See here, I square y, iy whole square means b place లో iy ఉందమ్మా, b place లో iy ఉంది, b square అంటే iy whole square means I square y square, I square is minus 1 కాబట్టి minus y square. So in place of b square put minus y square plus 2ab plus 2 into x into iy. Okay, on elaboration of this formula a plus b whole square, you get f of z is equal to e power x square minus y square plus 2xy plus c. Okay, it can be written as e power x square minus y square ఒక పార్ట్ అనుకోండి, ప్లస్ 2xy ఒక పార్ట్ అనుకోండి. నవ్ యూ రైట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ e power x square minus y square into e power 2xyi plus c. Okay ma? Now what is e power I theta? E power I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. Now this is e power x square into y square. In place of u power I theta place లో 2xy ఉందమ్మా, so it can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta. Theta is 2xy అనుకోండి మనసులో మీరు. Now e power I into 2xy is equal to cos 2xy plus I sin 2xy plus c. Next step, this can be written as e power x square cos 2xy plus I e power x square sin 2xy. Now this is real part, this is imaginary part. What is imaginary part? E power x square minus y square sin 2xy plus c. Okay ma, this is v. So here we find f of z analytic function and then the conjugate of u is v. Okay, we have finished this problem.